This Zule Orange Juicer Squeezer isn't just another kitchen appliance. It's a game changer for anyone who loves fresh citrus juice at home. Whether you're a busy professional needing a quick morning pick-me-up, or a parent trying to get your kids excited about fresh juice, this electric juicer makes the process effortless. From its powerful motor to its intuitive design, this juicer takes the hassle out of juicing, letting you focus on enjoying that delicious and gourmand, refreshing drink. Why you should consider the Zule Orange Juicer Squeezer. If you're tired of struggling with manual juicers that don't extract all the juice or dealing with noisy, bulky electric juicers, the Zule Orange Juicer Squeezer offers a perfect middle ground. Combines ease of use with powerful performance, all in a compact, stylish package. The versatility of being able to juice any citrus fruit, combined with its quiet operation and easy-to-clean design, makes this juicer a standout choice for anyone who loves fresh juice. Whether you're juicing for yourself, your family, or guests, this juicer will quickly become a staple in your kitchen. And if you're concerned about durability, the high-quality stainless steel construction and 1-year warranty ensure that you're making a wise investment in a product that will serve you well for years to come. Key features of the Zule Orange Juicer Squeezer. 1. Powerful 160 watts motor. Foundation of the Zule Orange Juicer Squeezer's impressive performance is its powerful 160-watt motor. This motor is designed to be pressure activated, meaning the juicer starts working as soon as you press down on the handle and stops the moment you release. This easy, one-hand juicing system eliminates the need for complicated settings or buttons. You simply press, juice, and enjoy. The 160 watts motor is strong enough to handle any citrus fruit, from the smallest lime to the largest grapefruit. And because it's pressure activated, you can be sure that you're getting every last drop of juice out of your fruit. No more wasting half a lemon or orange because you couldn't squeeze it all out by hand. This juicer does all the hard work for you. 2. Versatile for all citrus fruits. One of the standout features of this electric citrus juicer is its versatility. It comes with 2 interchangeable cones, making it suitable for citrus fruits of all sizes. The smaller cone is perfect for limes, key limes, or lemons, while the larger cone can handle mandarins, tangerines, oranges, blood oranges, and even grapefruits. Whether you're making a small batch of lime juice for a cocktail or preparing a large pitcher of fresh orange juice for breakfast, the Zule Orange Juicer Squeezer adapts to your needs. You can effortlessly switch between different fruits without needing separate appliances. 3. Pure, pulp-free juice every time. If you're someone who prefers pulp-free juice, this juicer is made for you. If you do run into any issues, the reverse function is a handy feature that allows you to clear blockages without having to disassemble the entire machine. This makes the Amzchef juicer not only efficient, but also practical for daily use. The Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer isn't just built for efficiency. It's designed with your health in mind. By extracting juice at a slow, controlled pace, it ensures that your juice is free from oxidation and retains as many nutrients as possible. Whether you're juicing leafy greens, fibrous vegetables like celery, or soft fruits like oranges, the Amzchef juicer produces high-quality juice with minimal foam and sediment. Commitment to health and longevity doesn't stop with the juice. Amzchef stands behind their product with a 2-year warranty on both the motor and accessories. This provides peace of mind and demonstrates the company's confidence in the durability and performance of their juicer. If any issues arise, Amzchef's customer service team is ready to assist, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to prioritize health can be challenging. That's where the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer shines. Compact design makes it a great fit for any kitchen, whether you're living in a spacious home or a small apartment. The sleek black finish adds a touch of sophistication, making it an attractive addition to your countertop. This juicer is perfect for individuals and families who are looking for a reliable and efficient way to incorporate fresh juice into their daily routine. Whether you're juicing for health, convenience, or simply for the love of fresh juice, the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is a solid choice that delivers on its promises. Final verdict. Overall, the Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer, black, updated, offers a powerful combination of advanced technology, versatility, and user-friendly design. Its slow masticating system ensures that you get the most out of your ingredients, preserving essential nutrients and delivering high-quality juice with minimal oxidation. The ability to transform the juicer into a multifunctional kitchen tool only adds to its value, making it a versatile addition to any home. With its easy assembly, intelligent protection chips, and low-maintenance design, this juicer is perfect for those who want to enjoy fresh juice without the hassle. The peace of mind that comes with Amzchef's 2-year warranty and excellent customer service further solidifies its place as one of the top choices for health-conscious individuals. Whether you're new to juicing or a seasoned pro, Amzchef Slow Masticating Juicer is a worthy investment that will help you elevate your juicing game and support a healthier lifestyle. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and get ready to enjoy the freshest juice you've ever tasted.